last part there. And we'll have about an 18-foot piece.
I'm Jim Kennedy, and I work my own little business. I used to work at Bat Conservation International, but I'm building bat gates most of the time. I'm also the conservation director for the American Cave Conservation Association, and we're trying to get a lot more conservation projects done all over the country. We just spent 3 days here building a gate with a crew of people that are attending a bat gating workshop. We spent a day doing lectures and then 3 days out in the field. We finished 2 really fine gates. This one's 36 feet long, 7 feet high. The other one's significantly smaller. These guys just worked their butts off. It was a great crew to work with. I have 3 more projects coming up this fall yet, including another workshop where we'll be putting a gate on an abandoned anthracite mine. We're here at this historic cave in Louisville, Kentucky. This is a bat-friendly gate, but we didn't build it for the bats. We built it for the Louisville Cave Beetle. This is one of only 4 sites, all in Louisville, where this beetle is known. This particular cave has the highest population of all 4 of those sites. But you can kind of see what's going on here because it's a neglected corner back here in the woods. The kids come in here and they're building campfires and partying and spray painting and so on and having a real big impact on the cave. Now that's not good for the cave ecosystem. So unfortunately we had to come up with the money and the manpower and so on to build this gate to protect these beetles. But by protecting these beetles, we're also protecting the entire cave ecosystem. We are protecting the bats that may want to roost in here. We're protecting the salamanders that live in here and every other species that comes and goes.
1, 2, 3.
Easy, you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.